Unfortunately, but you know what? The good news is that we're not talking about a whole lot of rain. Could you imagine how slow things will be on top of that gridlock situation? Let's widen things out because I want to show you what's going on. So we have this area of low pressure to our north. That's going to stay further ways away from us and toward Canada. But also we're keeping an eye on this. This is in association with this warm front. There's another disturbance here. This particular storm system will actually move from the south to the northeast. So that's something that we're going to track. Right now it's dry. Air isn't quite saturated. There is a chance of a few sprinkles, greater chance as we head into the pre-dawn hours, as well as tomorrow as the air becomes saturated. But look at this massive system. This is Helene. We're already kind of trying to see an eye come through. It's not formed just yet, but it's becoming better organized. It's right in between two land masses, the Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba. And that may interfere with that eye formation, but that's going to change as it continues on its northward trek. So it's moving northwest, 9 miles per hour. Max sustained winds 65 miles per hour. It's expected to become a Cat 1 at some point today and eventually a Cat 2 by tomorrow. Maximum sustained winds possibly at around 105 miles per hour. Could become a Cat 3 as it makes landfall near the Big Bend of Florida. So something that we're going to watch, and it could have devastating impacts as a result. It'll get caught up in a trough in the Mississippi Valley and then take a turn to the left away from us. But we can get some cloud action from it and maybe even some breezy conditions along with that. So although not a direct hit for our area, we could feel some indirect impacts. So take a look, hurricane and tropical storm warnings on the East Coast. That's your tropical storm warning, a watch further north. And then you have that warning on the West Coast. That's where we'll see most of the impacts, as well as storm surge. There's a warning in play along the highlighted shaded areas. And take a look at this. Up to about 15-foot inundation, quite possible in some cases, especially near the Big Bend, where we can anticipate landfall in and around those areas. So rainfall amounts upwards of about 10+ inches is possible. Isolated spots could see more, some areas a little less, but something that we're going to watch. We're not going to get rain from this in our area, but certainly a lot of clouds. But speaking of rain, there is a chance for some scattered showers today, more so tomorrow, and then dry otherwise, and the clouds may hang around through the first half of the weekend. We'll send it over to Julie Millay now.